You're in a quiet room, and you feel a massive sneeze coming. To be polite, you pinch your nose and close your mouth tight. A typical sneeze blasts air out at up to 100 miles per hour. But when you block the exit, that pressure is trapped inside your head. It travels backward, looking for any way out. First stop, your ears. This massive blast can actually rupture or pop your eardrum. In extreme cases, that force can crack small bones or even cause a nosebleed. It can even push air into the space behind your eye, causing it to bulge. The absolute worst case? A physical tear in the back of your throat. Moral of the story? If you have to sneeze, just let it rip. Your body